Hi there, my name is David Duford. I'm the owner and operator of buylifeinsuranceforburial.com, and today's video is going to talk about how to get coverage for burial or final expense life insurance, even if you've had a history of heart problems or cardiac circulatory related issues. So what I'm going to start off with is defining what is encompassed by the meaning of cardiac or circulatory issues. And then I'm going to lay out different options depending on where you fit on the scheme of things related to what you actually have and then how long it's been since that occurrence. So first of all, cardiac and circulatory issues are pretty wide ranging. You've got your more obvious issues like heart attacks, stents and bypasses, but you also have within that seizures, aneurysms, pacemakers, any kind of circulatory issues that require stents, congestive heart failure, and even things like angina. All of those are related to the circulatory system in your heart. So if you have one of those issues, this is a video you need to listen to, because what you have and when you had it originally makes a dramatic difference on what you can qualify for, because many people cannot qualify for life insurance unless they work with someone like myself as a broker who looks at all different companies that are out there and can give you the best value quote at the best value price. Now, let's get to the specifics. When we look at issues like heart attacks, seizures, I should say, let's just start with each one and go through it. Heart attacks. Typically, if you've been if you had a heart attack within the last year, you're going to qualify for a guaranteed issue product that's going to make you wait 2 full years. If you've had a heart attack between 1 year and 2 years, you're going to probably most likely qualify for a graded partial coverage program, and in some cases you'll qualify for first day 100% coverage. Again, not a lot of people offer this plan, but I do have access to that kind of company. So if that fits you, I might be able to help you in ways other agents can't. Then if you've been at least 2 years out with most companies, they will give you 100% first day full coverage for natural and accidental death. For strokes, it's a little different situation. You have full-blown strokes, and then you have mini strokes and what's called transient ischemic attacks. For full-blown strokes, it's the same guidelines as the heart attack. 1 year out, less than 1 year out, 2 year wait on a graded or a guaranteed issue plan. 1 to 2 years, partial coverage or full day coverage, and then 2 years and beyond, most companies, full day 100% coverage. If you have some kind of mini stroke or transient ischemic attack, those are considered less of an issue, even though they're serious, to a lot of companies. And there are even companies that will give you 100% first day full coverage, even if you just had a mini stroke or a transient ischemic attack yesterday. So again, hard to find, but if that fits you, talk to me, because I can help you out in no other way that many agents cannot. Seizures, lots of companies make you wait 2 years. Many companies cover you 100% from the first day for natural death, even if you're seizing in front of your agent as you're talking to them. So we have heart attacks, strokes, seizures, bypasses. Bypasses follow the same guidelines as heart attacks. Aneurysms, same thing. Some companies actually won't talk to you even if you have an aneurysm that hasn't been operated. That's not the case with all companies. Even if you have an aneurysm and it's been okay for 2 years, there are options. Stents, same setup as heart attacks. Anything within the first 2 years, first year is harder to get. Between 1 to 2 years, you can get graded or full coverage, and then 2 years and beyond, you can get full coverage. And then lastly, you have pacemakers. Most companies do make you wait 2 years for coverage. I don't. I have a company that will cover you as long as it's been a year since your pacemaker has been installed. Along with, and then there's also congestive heart failure. Yet another situation where most companies will only offer you a 2-year guaranteed issue product before you're even covered, whereas I have access in limited cases to coverage that can get you 100% approved from the first day. Very neat. There's also a couple other factors you have to be aware of. Sometimes your circulatory medicine can make an impact on whether you get qualified or not. For example, you may be taking Plavix or a blood thinner like Coumadin or Carvedilol or furosemide. Lots of carriers out there will rate you up at a higher price, and they won't even cover you if you take those medications. I, on the other hand, work with those particular medications daily. That is not a problem getting coverage if you have or have taken those medications. If you have any questions at all, if you've had a heart issue or a circulatory issue, you need to talk to someone like me. Visit my website at buylifeinsuranceforburial.com and feel free to contact me either at my phone number or at the contact page where you can input your information and send me a message. I'll be more than happy to give you a no obligation quote, give you more information on how the program works, and then let you decide if what I have to offer makes sense for you to get you a plan that you like. My name is Dave Duford at buylifeinsuranceforburial.com. Take care. Thank you for listening.